Happy holidays and so glad you're here because we're gonna go shopping today for underprivileged youth here in San Diego. Every Christmas, we as a family usually adopt a family to give Christmas presents to. This year, we've decided to adopt 100 foster children. As you may or may not know, a loan signing system donates money every single month from core sales to Promises to Kids, a foster care foundation here in San Diego. But this year, what we want to do is donate toys. So we're here at Target to give back this holiday season so Soul can see what it's like to give back. Loan Signing System Nation, I want to say thank you because this is because of you. So why don't you follow us today in Target and go shopping for foster youth in San Diego. Some of you may or may not know I'm actually former foster youth. I don't like the word former because it's still always part of me, but why it's so important for me to shop for foster youth is because I know what it feels like. And the true honesty is I've always had Christmas, but I definitely know the years where I only got one Christmas present or two Christmas presents. And you know, as a 10-year-old, 11-year-old, I want to make sure that no one else ever feels that. So it's why it's such an important part of me and our family to give back.
Really blessed lives, and sometimes it's easy to just go on throughout your day or throughout the year with not thinking about others and just thinking about your immediate family. And the spirit of Christmas is more than just things. It's more than just a cart full of stuff. It's making sure that every person out there feels loved, feels like somebody thought about them. They don't have that each and every day throughout the year, and we're so blessed to be able to do this. That helps us not only give something to somebody, but also make them feel loved and appreciated at least one time a year.
Are done. We have 2 cartfuls of toys to give to foster youth. Let's go check out and let's go deliver these to Promises to Kids. Just pulled up the Promises to Kids, but so with Heather, out comes the CEO of Promises. We're so excited to be here today. As you can see, we have gifts for Promises. What's up, Tony?
Wow! Oh my gosh! Thank you guys so much.
You're
You're so welcome.
This is incredible. Look at Soul up on the bus.
He does not come. He does not come with all the stuff.
This is incredible. Oh my gosh.
As we walk down the halls of Promises to Kids to go show you all the amazing toys, I just wanted to take a moment to share my journey, my story, and why I actually do all of this. I was a foster child from the ages 6 to 8, so it was 2 years that I spent in the foster care system. So that is really what shaped who I am today. The reason I want to give back, the reason I try to help as many people is because I know what it feels like to need help, not just want help, but literally needed all the social services, the foster parents that I had who were generous enough to take time out of their lives to give me the opportunity to be who I am today. And so like I tell every single one of my students, if I had the childhood that I dreamed of, I wouldn't be the person I am today. So all these moments that led up to who I am today, I embrace. Your past doesn't define you, it's what you do now that matters. And so the fact that now I can give back to the very social services that help me be who I am is literally every single thing to me. Having Soul understand that the moments that we make now is giving back to others and making sure that he understands the best way to receive is by giving. And so the fact that we can give all these presents to foster youth of San Diego is everything to me. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you for allowing us to make impact. Thank you for allowing me to impact the community that has impacted me, and that's the foster community. So I'm so excited to share this moment with you, with the entire loan signing system community. So from the bottom of my heart, I say thank you. Enough about me, let's introduce you to Tanya. And we are inside Promises to Kids here with the CEO, Tanya. How are we doing today, Tanya?
We're doing great. My gosh, I can't believe it.
Dude, thank you so much for just allowing us, and I say us, it's a loan signing system community, to impact some foster children this Christmas season. So thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, I can't believe it. Thank you for serving on the board, of course.
You're welcome.
I mean, that's incredible. But you and your whole community has supported us year after year. So thank you so
You're
much.
so welcome. As you can see by what's on here, it is very girl-heavy presents.
Yes,
Can you explain why you told me about what you did? Because I think it's an important part of what we try to accomplish this season.
Yeah, so we were talking about a couple weeks ago about the importance of making sure that all children in foster care are able to choose from gifts that they would want or that reflect their needs. What we notice is a lot of people like to shop for babies, you know, or 2-year-olds. And so what we were finding is that we had a lot of those gifts and not so much for girls who are 10 to 12. And so we specifically wanted you to fill that request so that those little girls are just sitting there wondering, you know, what's for me? There's something that they're going to love.
Thank you. And I think it's really vulnerable to share or truthful to share that, you know, a lot of girls are in the foster care system more than boys are. Thank you. If anybody wants to get involved with the promises, how would they, we could give some ways to get involved?
Yeah, absolutely. They can visit our website. They can learn all about volunteering, either as a mentor or with our Camp Connect program. They can also donate, or they can help donate with goods too as well. So buying gifts through our gift drive.
This is such a humbling full circle moment for me because, you know, like I've shared, I was the recipient of social services, and without that, I would not be where I am today. So can you just talk quickly about how much this does impact the children that this is going to go to?
Yeah, so oftentimes there could be a child that comes into foster care right before Christmas, and they don't have the opportunity of having somebody go to shop for them, or sometimes they don't even know what family they're going to be with, and all they're doing is sitting sometimes thinking about where they could be, where they want to be. And so even if it's just something like this stuffed animal or something else, it just speaks to them as that they matter and that somebody sees them. And that's really the point of this drive, is to make sure that everybody feels loved and cared for.
Thank you to the nation and the community, because, you know, I've been in the shoe on the other side where I feel less than. And one gift literally makes the difference of just my well-being, and so mentally. And so thank you for what you do. You do amazing work. Thank you to the loan signing system community, because I don't want to take credit for this. This is all of us. So I just want to make sure everyone knows that this is because of you as well. So Tanya, from my LSS family, from our loan signing system family, to you, happy holidays, and thank you so much.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. And that's a wrap. Look at what we have done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much to Loan Signing System Nation for helping me help other foster youth have an amazing Christmas. Like Tanya shared, there are some foster youth who literally come into the foster program on the 24th of December because they're in such bad situations in their primary care. And those are the children who feel uncertain. I know what it feels like just to get one toy, and that one toy makes all the difference. And so from the bottom of my heart, thank you, because we're gonna give that certainty to that child. I'm not who I am in spite of what's happened. I am who I am because of what happened. And so you are amazing, you are worthy, you are good enough. So remember, we can use every moment as, does this help me or does it bring me back? I hope this maybe inspires you to do something in your local community, because there's somebody out there who we can always be helping. So from my family, yours, from Loan Signing System Nation, happy holidays, and let's go.